When you start typing in the text editor, your content will automatically be rendered as a paragraph on the front end. No need for special formatting. Just type, and it becomes a paragraph. When you enclose your text within H1 enclosing H1 tags, it will be treated as a big heading similar to an H1 heading on the front end. Now, if you want to create a subheading, simply use U2 enclosing H2 tags around your text. This will display your text as a subheading beneath any preceding main heading. Also, if you want to break the line use, BR tag, because empty spaces will not break the line. You have to use ER tag to break that particular line that you want. When you want to insert a code snippet, wrap it in a code tag and specify the programming language using the elang attribute. For example, if you have HTML code, use code lang equal to HTML to encapsulate it. Also, if you want to render the list on the front end, you can wrap the list inside the ELL tag.